just magical. Everyone that works here is wonderful and loving. Everyone knows my son, and they just make you feel so good when you're here. It's just awesome.
I love connecting with the horses, just being with them, and it's really amazing because they're just wonderful animals. It makes me feel really good. Every time after I ride, I'm always feeling really good. The people who work here, they're just amazing, and they help me a lot, and if it wasn't for all these people here to help me, I wouldn't be here right now. So.
Well, Jason had ridden in 2 different programs before, but they were both group rides, and this one is an individual ride, and so he really has, really done well with the individual attention that Red gives. He just has prospered and really loves riding here. He looks forward to every single day that he gets to come to Red Arena, and he loves the horses and all the people that just show a lot of love and care to him in individual ways. It's just by far most high quality program we've ever found for Jason to ride, and he just loves it.
It gives you hope that all is not lost for humanity. What the staff here pours into my kids, and to be honest, every kid that comes here is unbelievable. And it's the kind of thing that will give you hope, not just for your kids, but for everybody's kids and for society in general.